Where are they now? They're gone.
I got kidnapped by a hippo.
There you go. Hello. Where are they? Oh, there they. Chloe, they're here. Squirrels.
No, just saying their names, like you wouldn't hear people. You'd hear
Let's watch the squirrels playing around on the tree.
instead of dogs, would you want to
There you go. Oh, hello. They're fighting.
Mummy, the camera's shy.
Hello. They're not. Oh, gone. There's another one here earlier. Where is he?
Yes, we have birds walking in water.
Look.
Look at that bird.
Ooh, there's a bread here, Chloe. There's
Give it to me.
No, they might get.
Give
Yeah.
it to me to eat.
Where?
there.
A whole load.
Look, they were gonna be waiting.
No, they're gonna attack us.
No, you just put it here.
There's a whole load.
It's allowed, isn't it, to feed them?
Did I catch it?
We'll feed it to us. We'll have it. We'll go in there and have it.
Come on, let them come here near.
No.
They're never coming.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. Wow.
Uh.
Come on, I got bread. They're gonna roll. Come.
You have to chuck out them. Pass it here.
Throw us out there. We're
Not just one.
Pass it here. I'll show you how it's done. Mummy,
They missed it.
Look,
Mummy.
look at that.
let me do it.
Wait.
No, they're gonna start coming at me now. No, Charlie, throw it at them. When they're flying.
Look. Wow.
Charlie, you just got scalded.
Look at how they get it. The
There's a
technique.
sniper. Oh, I missed.
They're not even taking it, really.
They are. Look.
No,
Look,
see,
we're trying.
look, they just-
Look. Oh, see?
And chuck it over there.
Oh, it's ice in them.
It's ice there,
See,
isn't it?
they go for mine.
Throw it at them.
Charlie and Chloe.
Haha, you missed it. Oh, Charlie.
It's behind you as well. No, not there. Here. Not allowed there. No.
Look, it's the seagulls with the pigeons. Oh, you haven't gotten it.
Oh, that's eyes. Okay.
I just said ice.
They're very hungry, aren't they?
If they don't have this.
They're going there.
Can they not go on it? I love how it's moving.
The dove's coming as
I
well.
love how it's just.
Brilliant.
Oh, they're hungry.
I love how it's just like that.
Mid-air. Aerial shot.
Charlie, throw it away.
Oh, they're very hungry. The other one step. Look, Chloe. It's on top of the ice. Ah,
Charlie, jump on the pigeon.
it's nice.
Headshot.
No, yeah, have to support us.
Oh, you just.
I don't like how they're all going.
Mommy, bait one for me.
Yeah, I know.
I missed him.
There's some there, they're just standing there. From the air.
Pretty skills.
Woo, they're trying. Look, Chloe, get it, yeah.
Yeah.
Angry birds. Also. Oh, I missed him.
That Chloe, yeah. Woo, oh,
Yeah, we got the whole squad.
stay up there. And they're
Yeah, when they're flying up, throw
they're
it up.
trying to get it.
Oh, I don't know.
There, look. Oh, no.
Oh, my shoulder. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
They are our disciples.
Oh, did you catch that?
Look on that one, good. Oh, lovely. Good, aren't they?
You can't see
Oh, that poor one missed one. I'm going for it. There you go, bro.
Move when it's over.
Hey, here's the pigeon one.
You can't see the bread being thrown, but
Oh, you're gonna laugh.
I don't care.
It's a big one.
Way. Good catcher, they are. Wow, that was good. Another one. Another one.
I'm really bad at throwing.
Oh, they're flying as well. Wow.
Wow, no one hit
Oh.
that. You should be there for the shot.
Almost finished now. The bread's running low. We're running low on the supply.
You catch that, I don't know.
Standing. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, now.
Oh, look at the big one.
That's all, folks. Sorry, they're all gone.
Give them the plastic.
Good joke, I mean.
Thanks to Chloe. Wow, look at that flying.
Oh, my shoulder.
I hope you enjoyed your dinner.
You can't talk.
They're just like frozen.
They're just flying around now, like showing
Oh, you take this.
showing their flying technique.
Yeah, let's catch one. With my hat.
Yeah. That's it. And there's some dubs here.
Lucky to frozen.
Oh, it's okay now. Okay.
Big secret.
What's my favorite? And then you just say someone else's.